Hello, everybody. This is Yechenyo from South Korea. You're a Korean teacher. So we're going to learn about the number for today. Number. So hope you guys are ready. And I'm going to share my screen right now. And when I share my screen, I'm going to turn on my camera because then you always can just focus on our class note. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. All right. So if you can hear my voice clearly, and also if you can see our class note, and no, if you can see my screen, then please write down in the yes in the chat for the communication. Yes, I can. All right. Good. All right. Yes, iPhone. Thank you so much. Actually, your name is not iPhone, right? Okay. So, all right. Let's go to overdo it. Okay, so we're gonna learn about the number for today. So for the number, we have a 2 counting version, which is Sino and the native Korean. Okay, so Sino version is based on the Chinese pronunciation. Okay, and the native Korean is like another words as the S word that says we have a version with the native Korean. Okay. The Sino version is going to be like this. I'm just going to read slowly so you can just practice and repeat after me in your places. Please remember, guys, if you want to learn some Korean, then you have to speak out a lot. Okay? Even you guys are wrong, that is totally fine, but at least you have to try. Okay? So I'm gonna read slowly, so please practice in your place, okay? Number 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 10, 10, 10. Okay, these all things you have to just memorize it, okay? And let's go to the next one. Look at that. So this is kind of difficult, but it's going to be really useful to you for your shopping or whatever when you come to the South Korea. Okay, so for the 100, how you can speak out, you can say peg. 100 is peg. How about the 1,000? You can say 천. All right. The next one is going to be the 10,000. 10,000 is really important because this one is going to be one of the most common number with the pricing at the next time in our next session, or in the future session, because this is the most popular currency that you're gonna spend in when you come to South Korea. Okay, so how you can say with the 10,000, you can say man, and I'm gonna give you some tip that 10,000 had a 40, right? 40. So if you want to counting with the next few numbers, you can just easily think that if they have a 40, you can just say with the man. Oh, excuse me, guys. So 10,000 is man. Then how is gonna be the 100,000? As I told you, if you cut after the 40, and it comes out like this, right? And then 40 can be pronounced as what? Man. But this one is what? 10. 10 was what? 10, right? Then you can just say 10만. 10만. 100,000 is 10만. All right? Not that difficult if you come with a 40, right? How about the 1 million? How you can say 1 million can be also cut it after the 40, and this can be pronounced as a man. And what is this? 100. There we go. Here we go. How you can say with 100? 백, 백. And so you have to add the 만 as well, right? And how you can say 백만, 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 백만. All right, not that difficult. How about the 10 million? How you can say? Also, you can cut it after the 40. So it's gonna be 만. And what is the 1,000, everyone? There we go. 천. So you can just add it together, which is 천만. 천만. All right, not that difficult. How about the 100 million? Look at that. There's a 40 and 0. So we don't say 만만. Okay. So for the two double 40, we can just say 억. 억. Okay. So it's gonna be like how many? Like 8, 8, 0. 8, 0 is gonna be 억. We also have another numbers for the bigger number, but at least you don't need to buy the building or something. You're not gonna use it. Okay. So until here, so please remember all about this one. Okay. All right. So I will teach you how to reading. Okay, how to reading, everybody. So I will give you the example for it. So if you want to say with the format, okay, the format is gonna be like this, everyone. Format to read the signal. Okay, so it's like this. First number and positions. And then number, blah, blah, blah. It's the same routine. It's gonna be the same routine like this. Okay, let's say, you know what the positions mean? Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna explain it. So let's say 30. Okay, so 30 is gonna be what? As I told you, the reading version is gonna be like this. 3, and then which position is it? 3 for the 3. It's the 10th positions, right? So like this. Then how you can read it? What is the 3? 3. And then which position is it? 10th position. So 10. So it's gonna be 30. That's all. Not that difficult, isn't it? I'm gonna give you some another example. You can try. How about 450? How we can say 450, everyone? So the format is gonna be like this: 4, and then 100 position. There 4 is the 100 positions, right? And then 5, and which position is it? 10th position. And then there's no other word for the first one, right? Then how you can say about this one? 4 and 100 and 5 and 10th position. How you can say? 4 is what? 4 is 4. No, I'm gonna give you some time. You can practice it. So this one and this one positions, and 5 and 10th position. How you can say? Please write down in the chat, please. How you can say with the 450? It's not that difficult. Please try. Even you are wrong, that is totally fine. I'm gonna give it 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, Samira, perfect. All right, let's go like this. So first the letter was 4, right? 4. And 100 position, 100 is what? 100. And then 5 was 5. And then 10th position, 10. Perfect. All right, impressive, everyone. So it's gonna be 450. 450. This is how you can pronounce it. Okay, it's not that difficult. All right, one more time. Okay, this year is 2021. how you can say 2021? Okay, so the format is going to be what? 2 first, and then which position is it? 1000 position. And then there's no 100 position, so we can just skip it. And then what's the next number? 2. And which position is it? 10th position. And then what's the last letter? 1. That's all. How you can say with this one? So 2, 1000, 2, 10, and 1. I'm going to give you some 5 seconds. Please try. 5. I will do myself. Sorry, guys. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 2021 Samira. Perfect. Very nice. All right, impressive. So like this, let's try. So first number was what? 2. E. Oh, actually, that was kind of a bit slightly wrong. So E, and then which position is it? 1000, 1000. And next one number was E. And then 10th position, ship. And last word was il. So what is gonna be? 2021. For helping your understanding. Right? So 2021. That is how you can pronounce it. Okay? So this is gonna be the example. Don't forget, everybody. All right, let's go to the native Korean. Native Korean is a bit different. So that is the Sino version is just using some numbers and the pronunciation. So it's gonna be a bit more easier than native Korean. But native Korean is a bit slightly, not a difficult, but a bit complicated, okay? So for the native Korean, how you can say, okay, first of all, with the 0, with the Sino version and the native Korean at the same time, you can just pronounce as young, young, or 공. 공 is like when you usually talk about the phone number, we're gonna use a lot, okay? So then the other things, the 1 to 10, I'm just gonna read really slowly. So please practice in your place, okay? Let's go. For number 1, you can say 하나, 하나, 하나. 2, 둘, 둘. 3, 셋, 셋. 4, 넷, 넷. 5, 다섯, 다섯. 6, 여섯, 여섯. 7, 일곱, 일곱. 8, 여덟, 여덟. 9, 아홉, 아홉. 10, 열, 열. Okay? Hope you guys are ready. Okay? The next one is gonna be like this. This is not it. Actually, the native Korean only you just need to memorize with 20 until 90. Because after the 100, we're just gonna using some Sino version. So there's not that much, but different words. So it's kind of difficult. So please practice and memorize it, okay? For the 20, how you can say 스물, 스물. Please practice in your place. 30, 서른, 서른. 40, how you can say 마흔, 마흔. 50, 쉰, 쉰. 60, 예순, 예순. 70, 일흔, 일흔. 80, 여든, 여든. 90, 아흔, 아흔. All right, that's all, everybody. Until here, so far so good. If you guys are having any question, and you can just write down in the chat. If you guys are doing good, and just please write down in the chat with the good, please. Good. All right, all right, all right. So let's practice it, everyone. Then let's go to practical class. Okay. So for the age, everyone, age, we're gonna use some native Korean. Oh no, never mind. We're gonna learn it at the next next chapter. Okay, let's save it. Okay, then how you can say, well, okay, so who is from the South America in here? Please, if you're from the South America or America, you can please write down in the chat with your name, please. Okay, so we can practice together. Please write down in your chat. If you're shy to speak out, it's totally fine. But please at least let me know where are you guys from, okay? All right. I'm going to show my screen first. So anyone is from the South America or the North America, that's totally fine. I think the NINC is already, yeah. All right, so NINC, can you turn on your microphone, please? Can you?
Okay.
All right, hello. So
Hi.
if it's not rude, can I ask your age?
I'm 16.
All right, 16. Can we try with the 16 with the native Korean? Native Korean, okay? So let's try. Answers here. You can just add it together. How you can say? 16. If you're shy, you can just write down in the chat as well. Everybody can try.
16.
Oh, very nice. 16. Perfect. 16. All right. Thank you for trying. So it's going to be 16. 16. All right. So like this, simple, isn't it? Okay. How about my age, everyone? My age is 27. Super old, huh? Suddenly feel sad, but still. All right. Okay. So how you can say 27, everyone? 27. So 27, I'm gonna give some hint. You guys can just try it. Please write down in the chat, okay? 27. I think every answer is here. 27. Oh my goodness. Perfect, NINC. Okay, so 27. 27. Okay. All right, so like this. 20. Just need to add it. That's all. 27. 27. Okay, very nice. How about Melissa? Can you turn on your microphone, please? Is it okay? Or if you're shy, please just write down in the chat with the shy, please. How about Nicole, Larissa? Anyone? Anyone want to try? Anyone?
Hello,
All right, Larissa, where are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
Brazil. All right, Larissa. Okay, let's try with your parents' age. How old
I
is
don't
your?
know.
Why? Don't
I
tell
don't
me.
know.
Don't tell me you don't know your father's age or no mother's age. My goodness. Okay. Okay. Then let's try with the 31. Baskin Robbins 31. How you can say with the 31 with the native Korean? Let's try. Okay. So one of the example is here. And like, there we go. what is gonna be? How you can say 31. Everyone can try it, the chat. And Larissa also can speak with the native Korean with speaking as well. Okay.
Oh,
All right.
I don't remember
Okay.
they speak. Se, se,
서,
se,
서른, 서른,
sarum, sarum,
서른, 른.
sarum, sarum,
나라 나, 서른.
sarum,
All right. 서른, and what is it?
sarum, hana,
All right. 서른 하나. One more, can you try
sarum,
again?
hana.
All right, perfect. 서른 하나. Thank you for trying. All right. 서른 하나. All right, thank you for trying. All right, for now, last try, everyone. Okay. Who wants to try for the last one? Can you? Anyone? Nicole, can you turn on your microphone, please? Nicole, are you shy?
Hi,
Hello, where are you from?
I'm from Guatemala.
Guatemala, impressive. All right. So, Nicole, do you know your parents' age? No. Or you
What?
should, do you know your parents' name? Parents' age? Father
Parents'
or
age.
mother? Yeah, father or mother's
No.
age. If you
I don't remember
All right.
how to say it.
It's okay. It's okay. Then I'm gonna give you the examples, and then you can just try. Okay. All right. Let's try with the 76. 76. How you can speak out? 70 is here, and 6 is gonna be here. How you can say?
I am 일흔,
All right.
일흔,
Right. 일흔.
여섯,
일흔. What is it?
일흔,
Mm-hmm.
여섯,
It's not a j. It's a ya.
여,
Well, you can say ya, ya, ya.
여.
Yeah, 여섯.
Okay. 여섯.
All right, perfect. So if you can you add it together?
Okay. Is 일흔,
Mm-hmm.
여섯.
All right. Can you speak a bit more like smoothly? 일흔 여섯.
Okay. 일흔, 여섯.
All right, perfect. All right, thank you for trying. All right, 일흔 여섯. Okay. So since I teach you how to read like a Korean, please practice in your place. Okay. So if you're it's really hard to like improve the Korean if you're not speaking in your place. Okay. Even you're wrong, that is totally fine. I'm gonna help you with the corrections. Okay. So don't be afraid to wrong, and just please speak out as much as you can. Okay. So until here, everybody. So I'm gonna. So do you have any questions? Okay. If you guys doesn't have any questions, okay, then we can just finish the recording here. Slow down a bit. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. So thank you for coming. See you at the next time. But please don't go out, okay? Because I need to finish this record. Thank you for coming.